Alright, now we're gonna continue our setting up our camping trip. We will use our water line. So each one of these lines is 20 feet long. So right now the water line is over there. I think that just one line will be enough. So you can see there's a city water connection. Go ahead and set them in. So again, this is a full site hookup, so they provide you with water, electricity, and sewer line. So that's why we're setting up the water right now. So make sure they're tight and nice going left. You can see water connection line. I just want to distinguish this between city water connection, and we also have this one is called Carson, and this look like a water line too, but this one is actually going into this one used to flush out the black water tank. So don't use this for now. The white line is for fresh water, so make sure you use that. If you want to flush out the toilet tank, we have this orange line, okay, to flush out the toilet tank, but you don't need to worry about that. When you decamp, you bring the unit back, we will do that for you. So right now, let's go ahead and connect this water line over here. Tank over there. Let's go put them in. You can look farther away. So this side is a little bit unusual. The water line is over there, so we're gonna go over there and turn on the
water.
The water. Tricky, right? We're gonna go ahead and do that later. But that's how you connect it. So you can see, come back here. Now we had sewer hookup, water line hookup, electrical hookup. Okay. And we can use this additional things. In here, we also have additional sewer line. If the sewer is too long, you can use this as extension in there. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you.